Hey traders, welcome back to the Farr channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. We have a very hot topic. Can you swing trade with $100? We're going to be breaking down strategies, mindsets, and answering that question of can you even do it? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I just released a brand new swing trading course and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. We talk about mindset, the psychology, my strategies, how I find stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy that. I'll put that down below for you guys. So let's dive into can you swing trade with $100? Let's go. All right, so let's address the elephant in the room. Can you swing trade with as little as $100? Well, it's going to be challenging, but it is doable. In most cases, yes, swing trading does require a little more capital, but in order to swing trade with as little as $100, there is some things you must know beforehand. So the first thing with swing trading with $100 is having realistic expectations. Now, if you have $100 and you're expecting to make $1,000 a week, that is absolutely impossible. You have to have realistic expectations. This $100 may only make you $1 a week or something along those lines just because you're using proper risk management tools. So you don't want to risk $100 every single day because you'll burn through your account. You want to risk about 1% of your money in order to become a profitable and a long-term swing trader. The second thing that you're going to need when it comes with swing trading with as little as $100 is a broker that offers fraction shares. Fraction shares is a way where you can invest into the stock market with as little as $1. It's a great way to invest and trade the market without having thousands of dollars. Instead of going out and buying a full share of Google for over $100, you may only want to trade $10 into Google, and that's the only way you're able to do that is by having fraction shares. How fraction shares work is you just have a fraction of that share price and you still get the same reward and risk with that stock. The next thing when it comes with swing trading with as little as $100 is you need to have proper risk management tools. Like we talked about, you need to understand how much you're risking per trade. Personally, I would never risk more than 2% on any given trade. Like I said, if you risk more, it's just a fast track to lose your account and burn through your money. Understanding risk management is super important. On top of that, you need to understand your stop loss, your entry, your profit, all that stuff before you even make a trade. The next thing you must know about swing trading with $100 is, personally, I wouldn't even use $100 right now. If you're just starting out with swing trading and you have no idea what you're doing and you're trying to fund your account, honestly, what I would recommend doing is using something called a paper trading account and develop that strategy. Paper trading is just using simulated money to practice. Swing trading is like a career, and the best way to approach it is you have to treat it like such. How long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? It takes years of practice, education. So if you're expecting to get rich quick, this is not the right industry to do so. The next thing that I would recommend doing with your $100 swing trade is constantly reinvest your profits. Now, the reason why is this is going to exponentially grow your account using something called compound interest. So the profit you make today can be used as leverage tomorrow to make more money. This is just a fast track to make more money in the long run if you're constantly reinvesting back into your swing trades. So in conclusion, yes, you can swing trade with as little as $100, but it's going to take time, it's going to be challenging, and if you do have the right risk management, the right stocks to buy, and if you have the right strategy, it's definitely doable. And if you guys want to sign up for my course where I talk about how I've done it, I'll put it down below and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video on how you can swing trade with this. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.